Assalamu alaikum, how's it going everybody? I hope you all are fine. In this Pandas tutorial, we are gonna discuss the third chapter, that is beginning of data analysis. Let me first run all the cells. The contents we are gonna cover in this tutorial are developing a data analysis routine, selecting the smallest of largest, and selecting the largest of each group by sorting. Let's first import pandas as PD and import numpy as np. These are the two libraries of Python. Let's run it. Here we go. So the first we will discuss in this series are developing a data analysis routine. First, insert the path of our data, that is df equal to pd.read underscore csv brackets. Here you can insert the path where your file exists. In my PC I have in downloads, that is, here we go, data and college. We get the properties and here we copy the location of that file, that is, yes, this is. Now we will insert this location here and we will replace all the backward slash with the forward one. Let me do it quickly. And after that we will insert a forward slash and write the name of our dataset along with .csv. Now let's run it. Now we can access our data with a notation like df.head, which give us the first 5 columns of our dataset. The data we have is like this is our rows and columns of data frame. We have the attribute of shape to view the number of rows and columns. So here we insert df dot shape. To view the rows and columns, we have 7535 rows and 27 columns. We use describe method to describe the statistics for numerical data. It gives us the statistics for both columns contain integers and float values. We include equal to numbers. We pause the list np.numbers because it is in the numpy library, which assess all the numerics calculations in it. Dot transpose we use to view it more clearly, like it is same as the rows into columns. Here we have count, mean, standard deviation and minimum etc. We can get the first 5 rows by dot head notation like this. After that we use df dot describe to include both the object, the numeric ones, and categorical, the columns which have discrete values like gender, color, etc. Here it gives us the, let's see it, np dot. We pass a list of np dot object, the numeric ones, and pd dot categorical for the discrete values of this data frame. Dot t to view it more clearly. Oops, it got us error. Let's find what error is. Here the categorical, we have error in C. Let's make it capital, the capital C, and run it. Here, get it. After that we get the count, unique, and top and frequency values. df.describe is also used to insert the percentiles, like include equal to np.numbers. We get different percentiles like 1%, 20%. Let's insert a list. Percentiles equal to 0.1, 0.5, 0.25 of stance. 0.25, 50, 75, the 75, 90, 95 and 99. Let's insert it within the list and pass the dot t to view it clearly. Let me insert it within the list. We use dot hat to view the first 5 rows of our data. Here we go, dot hat. Let's run it. So here we get the count, mean, standard deviation, 1%, 5%, 10% and so on, the maximum one. Our next module is selecting the smallest of largest. This is very useful, like if you say that give me the 5 universities out of 100 which have the lowest fee, or give me the 5 cities which have the lowest cost of residential. First we will insert the path df equal to pd.read csv, the movies file. So here we have file, we get the location of it, movies, properties, copy the location and insert it within the brackets here and replace all the backward slash with the forward ones like this, slash the name movies.csv. Now we run it. Now we see our database of movies df. It gives us our rows and columns of this movies database. Now we call the 3 columns of our this movies database by setting a variable filled equal to, we pass a list df list brackets movies title. Let me first correct this. Here movies title, MDB scores, and budget. We write dot hat to get the first 5. First we name the variable, call the variable filled dot hat to see the first 5 columns of our this variable, that is MDB score, movies column and budget. Now if we want the 100 movies which have the largest MDB score, we write filled dot and largest 100 comma MDB scores. We copy it and here within the commas we insert it and let's run it. Dot hat to get the first 5 rows. Here we get the MDB score, that is 9.5, 9.3, 9.2 and 9.1. Now if we want the movies with the highest MDB score and lowest budget of 5 movies out of 100, we'll write filled dot and largest brackets 100 comma MDB scores dot and smallest 5 movies with lowest budget. So here we get the results for MDB scores highest, that is 8.7, 8.5 and budget 180,000, 180 and 350,000. So our next module is selecting the largest of each group by sorting. Now here we pass the list of columns that we want. We write the variable name, that is filled. Let me write it field equal to df, passing the list of columns that we want, column name, movie title. Let me write it. Oops, I run it first. Let me first write it. Title, year and budget. Now let's run it. Now if we want to see these three columns, we write fill, our variable that we get the movie's title, title, year and budget. Now if we want to sort the values, we use sort values command. We write fill dot sort values, column name that we wanted to sort, title, year. In Pandas there is default ascending order, and if we want descending, we write ascending equals to false. Here we write equals to false. Now run it. Dot head, we get the first 5 rows of data, and here we get the title year, that is 2016, and so on. If we want multiple columns to sorted, we write the variable name movie1 equal to fill dot sort values, and passing the list of columns that we want, we write title, year, comma, MDB scores, we write ascending equals to false because we want in descending order, and we pass movie 1 dot head. Oops, it gave us error. Let me see what error is. MDB score. I think we haven't add MDB score in our fill variable. So let's first insert MDB score in that variable and now run it. If we run it all, now we get the IMDb score in descending order, that is 9.1, 8.7, and title year, that is 2016 for all. Now if we want unique title year for all, we write movie stop year, that is our variable name, dot drop fill dot drop duplicates brackets subset equal to passing the name of column that we want, title year, and if we want movie stop year, the variable dot head to get first 5 rows, and here we get it. So the title year is now unique. So that's all. If you want to get access to these files of movie college and this notebook, you get by link in description section below. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, and if you have any question, ask in comment section below. Share the video with whom you might think useful. Assalamu alaikum, how's it going everybody? I hope you all are fine. In this Pandas tutorial, we are gonna discuss the third chapter,